Hey there everyone, it's Brendan here from Crypto 101, and today I'm going to be walking you through how to use the Aerodrome decentralized exchange for the Base network. Now, to kick us off here, we actually need to start off on the Coinbase centralized exchange. I found this to be the easiest on-ramp onto the base layer 2 because the base layer 2 is created by the Coinbase exchange. So what we need to do is we need to have some sort of wallet that enables us to use the base layer 2. This could be MetaMask, this could be Coinbase Wallet. We're just going to be using the Coinbase Wallet for simplicity in this video here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be on my Coinbase exchange. I'm going to go up to the transfer button and I'm going to click Send Crypto. Now, after I do this, I'm going to need to go ahead and click on Ethereum, for example, if that's what I want to send. I'm going to click on Ethereum. I'm going to say, hey, I want to send this to the Base network. It's going to ask me for an address. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go over to my Base wallet. So once you open it up, you're going to go to the Receive button, click on it, and then you're going to see an area that says your Ethereum address, and you're going to click the copy button right here. It's going to give you a little notification that says, hey, it's been copied to your clipboard. And now we can go back to Coinbase and paste this address in. So once we do this, again, I already have mine saved, so I can just go ahead and click enter or click on it. And it's going to say, hey, you want to send maybe $100 worth of Ethereum. In the top right, it's going to say that this is on the Base network. So you're going to be sending Ethereum to this specific wallet. I can click preview send and go ahead and send it over. Now, once I do this, I can go over to my Coinbase wallet and I'm going to see that there is money loaded up into my wallet already. So the next step is once we have money in the Coinbase wallet, we can actually go to the Aerodrome exchange and click the connect wallet button. So I already have mine connected. We'll disconnect it real fast. I'll go ahead and click connect. I'll go over to connect with Coinbase wallet. And then after I do this, I'm just going to hit the final connect button, allowing it to have access to my wallet. So this is where it gets fun, right? I actually get to make the trades, make the swaps on the Base network, and I can go ahead over here and go between the different areas that they have. But if I want to just swap tokens and trade coins, then I can click on the swap button, and then I can click whatever I want to trade, from and to. So let's say that I loaded Ethereum again, then I'm going to type in ETH. I'm going to click on Ethereum, and now it's saying I'm trading from Ethereum into a new coin. So let's say that this new coin isn't USDC. Most of us want to buy a traditional altcoin. So let's just say that I want to swap Ethereum for Aerodrome token. I can come over here. I can say, hey, I now have this amount of ETH in my wallet. And then I'm going to go ahead and just say, hey, I want to buy 0.01 worth of ETH in the Aerodrome. Now it's going to take a second to load. And then it's going to say, hey, your 0.01 ETH is going to be worth 23.8 Aerodrome tokens. Is this what you want to do? If it is, it's going to give you all the information on the right-hand side over here. And then I'm going to go ahead and click swap ETH for Aero. It's going to ask me to request this. I'm going to go ahead and click confirm. And after I click confirm, it is going to be loaded. So this shouldn't really take long at all. In fact, if I go back to my wallet, we should already be able to see that my Aerodrome token is here, which it is. So we can see Aerodrome Finance, my 23.8 tokens as it promised me. And this is going to be worth roughly $35 at the time of making this video. So that's going to wrap us up for trading on the Base network, specifically on Aerodrome. So it's conveniently a very easy process, especially when you do it from Coinbase, because since this is their layer 2, being the Base layer 2, they make it really easy to send Ethereum from the exchange to a wallet immediately on the Base network. You don't have to go through a third-party bridge, and the whole process is fairly simple. So hopefully this video helped you out, and if it did, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and we will be back with another tutorial very soon.